Hello, PCS students. Today I want to talk to you a little bit about how you can use the Read and Write for Google PDF Reader to help you type on top of worksheets your teacher sends you as Canvas assignments. I am in my assignments right now, and I'm going to click on the assignment called Insect Assessment. It's a PDF file, and I'm going to want to use my Read and Write for Google tools to type on it. I'm going to click on the assignment title, and then I'm going to come into the assignment area, and I'm going to have to say Open Assignment again. And of course, I'm going to have to click on it again because sometimes it takes multiple clicks to get to where you want. And from there, I'm going to get a preview of what this worksheet looks like, but I still can't type on it. So I want to go up to the top to either the preview area that looks like this. You might have something that says Open with Read and Write for Google, but you also might have to click and pick Read and Write from Google from the drop-down menu. I'm going to click on Open with Read and Write for Google, and then my worksheet's going to open within that PDF Reader toolbar, giving me access to that typewriter key that I need to use to type on top of this worksheet. The cool thing is it does auto-save, so I turn it on, I click where I want to type, and I get my text box. I can adjust it, move it around, get it where I want it, and put in my answer. I can use word prediction, I can use voice typing, I can make the font bigger or smaller. So this one was an insect has how many legs? I'm going to say 6 legs. Again, I can change that font color. I can change the font size up or decrease. And again, I can move it where I want it. When it's how it should be, I will click the pink check and move on. My typewriter key is still on, so now I can click to the next box. And I'm going to type a 3 there. Again, I can make it a little bit bigger, can move it where I want, and hit that check. Now it says circle which one is not an insect. So I want to move from my typewriter tools to my freehand draw, or to either my freehand drawing or my shapes tool. I can use either or. I'm going to turn on freehand drawing, and I can pick my color, my line color, and my line thickness. And then I can just freehand draw with my mouse, or if I have a touch screen, that works really nicely. I can do the same with the shapes tool. Turn the tool on, pick my line color, pick my fill color, and if I'm circling, I'm going to want to leave it clear, pick my thickness, and then choose the type of lines I want. I can either do straight lines if I was doing a matching activity, I can click circle, or I can click rectangle. So again, works the same way, but see, now the circle isn't in the right place. So I'm going to turn the tool off, and then when I click on that circle, I can move it to where I want. The last thing I want to show you is how to use the talk and type feature in the typewriter. So again, I'm going to turn my typewriter on. I have a question that has a little bit of a longer answer. You can see I can stretch this out so that it fits on the lines. And if I want to use voice typing, it works a little differently than it does in Docs. The way it works here is you need to say your whole sentence and hit and say period, and then that sentence will pop in. Let me give you an example. A millipede is an example of a bug that is not an insect, period. So see, it waited until I finished speaking to put the whole sentence in. Again, I'm going to hit the check mark, and I'm set. The cool thing again is this auto saves, so if you leave this window, you're all set. Your answers will stay there. In order to turn this assignment in, I need to return to my top tabs, click on this one that is the assignment, and hit submit. I will hit submit again, and once I do that, my assignment is turned in to my teacher. Have a great day.